Bienvenue, je suis Natasha, enchantée, and welcome. I'm Natasha, pleased to meet you. In class today we looked at a French cafe serving breakfast items, and the key words in this were bienvenue, welcome, bienvenue, welcome to the cafe, bienvenue au café. Now I've given this cafe a special name and it's called Café Pain Grillé. Café Pain Grillé. Can you remember what grille means? Remember the cheesy grille sound we made in class today? Pain grillé means toast. Toast café. Café pain grillé. Bienvenue chez Café Pain Grillé. Welcome to Toast Cafe. We looked at the sorts of things that waiters and waitresses would do just to get the children talking and using special words. So we decided that our special staff would introduce themselves and say, "Pleased to meet you." They would say, "Bonjour, je m'appelle Natasha, enchantée," and we would shake hands, enchantée. The next thing would be to ask the customer to sit down. And we would say, asseyez-vous, asseyez-vous. Hopefully the customer sat down nicely. And of course, you would then want to see what they would like to eat or to drink. And you would say, qu'est-ce que vous voulez? Qu'est-ce que vous voulez? What would you like? Qu'est-ce que vous voulez, madame? Or, qu'est-ce que vous voulez, monsieur? Madame is for a lady and monsieur is for a man. Now, I gave you an extra sentence which would help you learn much better French, and that was qu'est-ce que vous avez? Qu'est-ce que vous avez? That is a sentence for the customer to ask, well, what have you got? So in our cafes, they are very specific and we only have certain food in stock. So our waitresses and waiters gave a few suggestions of what there is to eat and drink. So after the customer saying, qu'est-ce que vous avez? The waitresses and waiters would line up and offer their suggestions. Very simply, we use the word voilà for saying here is. Technically it means there is, but it's used quite commonly and people know it quite often as here is. So they show it and they say voilà and the object, so they might say voilà l'orange, here's the orange, voilà l'orange. Or they might say here's the juice, voilà le jus, voilà le jus. Ou voilà le pain grillé, voilà le pain grillé, voilà l'orange, here's the orange, voilà la pomme, and so on. The main part of it was giving the food, giving the suggestions and greetings. So the next part, one or two of us also worked on encore, which means some more. Can I have some more, please? Encore de jus, some more juice. Encore de thé, some more tea. And if you finished, you can say j'ai fini. J'ai fini le jus. I finished the juice. Or how would you say I finished the orange? J'ai fini l'orange. J'ai fini l'orange. I finished the apple. J'ai fini la pomme. Et voilà, there we have it. A very little introduction to buying some food items in a French cafe. There is so much more I've got to show you, and I will put those into future videos so you can have something to look forward to. At the moment we're saying see you next time, so I'll say that to you now. Au revoir, à la prochaine. See you next time. À la prochaine.